Hi everyone, my name is Madhav. Today my topic is about Boolean variables and values. Now coming to the vocabulary. Boolean. Boolean. A value of true or false. A variable with a value of true or false. Boolean means is nothing but it will tells that whether the given value is a true or false. Whether it gives true or false. Motivations. Why booleans we have? To save and reuse the result of a complex and logical decision. To improve clarity of the source code. It means that it will improve the clarity. Means it will not get us any errors in the code while we are typing in the systems. And to improve the efficiency of decisions in a program, and it will improve its efficiency. Means it will not give us any errors and any problems. It will not give. So, code will run simply and clearly and neatly. And now coming to the Boolean is a C++ data type. Boolean literals. Boolean literals, we have two types of Boolean literals. First one is true and second one is false. Example declarations. Boolean is VIP. Boolean is VIP is equals to true, and second one is Boolean error equals to false. Means Boolean error equals to false. And the last one is constant Boolean where that equals to true. And now then coming to the assignment. Syntax of Boolean. Boolean variable equals to conditional expressions. And some example declarations. Boolean is positive. Integer a equals to 3 is positive equals to a greater than equal to 0. A greater than 0 is positive equals to true. And now coming to the another example. Engineering honor student must have completed 48 credits overall, completed 24 credits in each year, have a GPA of 3.25 or higher overall. Means a student have 3.25 GPA or more higher than or more higher overall. And last one is have a GPA of 3.5 or higher in EGR courses, and he have to also score 3.5 GPA in EGR courses also. And now coming to the another example. Boolean is EGR honor is EGR honor equals to total credits greater than equal to 48, and EGR credits greater than or equal to 24, and GPA greater than equal to 3.0, and EGR GPA greater than equal to 3.5. We have to satisfy these conditions. If EGR honor count engineering honor student Here we have to see some quotes. User IO, do not sync or count booleans. They will not work as expected. And last one, boolean is easier honor. String yes no. Count is easier honor student yes no. Sim yes no is easier honor equals to yes no equals to yes. If is easier honor. Count is an easier honor student, or else print count is not an easier honor student.